Welcome once again to Money Made Simple YouTube channel. So today, like I promised you in the earlier video, we want to take a look at how probably you want to apply for a loan at Capfin. All right, if you're in South Africa, probably you need some loan. Let's take a closer look at how you can apply for the loan. So first of all, we are looking at the online application first. Okay, yes, the online application first. So before you make an attempt to even apply for a loan, it is recommended, it's more advisable that go to capfin.co.za. As you can see, the web address. Okay, now on the front page or the home page, you will see a very nice designed loan calculator. Okay, as you can see here. So let's take a quick overlook of the calculator. So you see the calculator here, as you can see, is showing you the amount of money that you can borrow. So you look at the slider here. So the minimum is 1,000 rands, and then the maximum is 50,000 rands. 50,000 rands. Okay, yes, that's the maximum that you can borrow from Capfin. All right, and then below it, once again, if you want particular amounts, and you cannot use a slider, okay, you can use the subtraction sign here, and then that is addition sign here. If you press the addition sign, it will be increasing by 500 or by 1,000, depending upon the amount of money that you look. So you keep on pressing the addition sign until you get to the amount that you want to borrow. Okay, yes. Now when you come down here, this is the duration of the loan terms. Okay, so from 6 months, 12 months to 24 months. Mind you, Capfin will not allow you to say you want to borrow a higher amount for a short period. No. So the maximum, as you can see, when you click on the 6 months, the maximum amount that you can borrow for 6 months is 8,000 rands. That's the maximum amount you can borrow. So if you want a short term, let's say 6 months, then the highest that you can borrow is 8,000 rands. All right. Now let's come to the other side here. So let's say where the slider is, you are taking an amount of 8,000 rands for 6 months. Okay, yes. So this is how much you are going to be paying every single month, called the monthly installment. Monthly installment. Then what that is every month. I think this one should be much more important to you, so that it will help you to decide if you can afford 1,858.52 rands every single month. Okay. So this is going to be the interest that you are going to pay. Okay, that's the interest that you are going to pay, 3,151. Okay, yeah. So when you add this one to the loan amount that you took, which is the principal, it all becomes 11,151.14 rands. So that around the 6 months, that's the total amount of money that you are. The next thing that you need to look at for is your eligibility. Okay, yes, you need a loan for something, but the bank also, Capfin also wants to know, will you be able, are you eligible for? First of all, you should be having a South African ID. Okay, so this particular loan is for South Africans. You need to have a South African ID. It's not for foreign nationals. Okay, even if you are living in South Africa and you don't have the South African ID, you don't qualify. The second is that they should have a steady income, meaning you should have a regular income. So you should be working every month. There should be money passing through your account from. And you also have a very good credit history. So if you have a very bad credit history, take note, you are more likely not qualified. Okay, yes, if you've been borrowing money, you have not been paying, and your credit history is very bad, meaning they cannot give you much loan. Okay, they wouldn't give you. So you need to have this one before you can qualify for the loan. The next thing that you need to look at for is documentation. Okay, yes, you need to prove to Capfin that indeed you have document to back what you are saying. Okay, so what document do you need? First of all, your South African ID. So your ID card or the ID book, you should have it. Okay, and then the last 3 pay slips. If you have been paid by your employer, the payment slips. Okay, yes, a copy of them, the last 3 months. it should be ready. After that, the next thing that you need to is the bank statement. Okay, 3 bank statements. So if you don't have the pay slips, you can have bank statement, proof of income, and other documents through Capfin's online application system. Okay, yes. Another thing you can also do is this. So after I've gotten all these documents down, the next thing that you need to look at for is that you have to complete the application form. Okay, if you are doing online, you have to create an account there, which will show you very soon. Okay, yes. So let's look at how to do that in the first place. Okay, yes. So here, when you are at the home page, as you can see here, you go to account on the right side here, or you can just also click on the apply now. Okay, yes. So when you click on the account, this is what happens. Okay, yes. So this is for those of you who have already registered, they have your account with Capfin already. Okay, so in that case, you just enter your South African ID number here, whatever the ID. I don't have the ID here, so I cannot enter anything here. Okay, so after you enter the ID, they will send you an OTP code. Okay, it's a PIN code that they will send you, which is usually a 6-digit numbers. They will send it to the code. So this one will go into the phone number that you used when you were registering, when you were creating an account. So you do that, and then that will give you access to that. If you are new to the Capfin platform, then this is what you have to do. You come here and click here to apply. Okay, so you don't have an account, click here to apply. Okay, yes, so you click here. So it says before we get even started, you should be at least at the age of what? 18. And you should also have a bank account. You should also have your latest 3 months pay slips or bank statement. Okay. And once again, are you permanently employed? Okay, yes. Capfin want to be sure that at least the loan that they are giving you, they can be sure that you're going to pay for that number of period. If you're a temporary worker working at a particular company, maybe for a couple of weeks or months, you can qualify because maybe it was a contract, maybe for 3 months contract. So if they give the money to you, how sure are they that they are going to get their money after your contract has ended? Okay, so if you meet all this, this is what we're going to do. So you pick your details here, your first name, your surname, your South African ID, as said earlier, and then your cell phone number. Okay, your cell phone number, and then also your email address. Your email address. So remember, you need to enter all the details that you see as serious against them. They are all required, so you cannot ignore them. Okay, and then moreover, what will you use this loan for? Okay, for whatever reason why you are coming for the loan, you have to state it here. Okay, so they have pre-populated items here. It says I've read and understand application terms, and so you tick that one also. Okay, yes, and then join this one. They are not compulsory. Okay, so but this one you have to take it. Okay, yes, you have to take it because very, very necessary. As for this one, you can decide to ignore it, and then you go ahead and then when you are done, like I said, I don't have my details here to enter. So when you are done, you'll come to continue. Okay, yes. So there you are going to be, they will confirm that these ID systems are for you. Probably they will send you an OTP code to the phone number that you provided to confirm your registration. All right, then you can go ahead from there to apply for the loan amount that you got. So before, they can also apply them at various PEPs and Ackerman stores near you. Okay, yes, any PEP store or Ackerman store that is closer to you, just go to them and ask them that you want to apply for Capfin law. They will be ready to help you. You fill the forms and every detail that you need, you provide, and then you are good to go. All right, Now, in case maybe you are still having problem, you can contact Capfin, yes, through their online messaging platform. Okay, as you saw, contact us. So you send them a message with this detail so that they'll be able to check exactly what is the problem. These are additional places that you can also get them to contact them for further inquiries or whatever be the case. So you can call them on this particular line on weekdays, that's from Monday to Friday, from 8 o'clock in the morning to 1800, that is 6 p.m. in the evening. You can as well send them WhatsApp. Okay, so this is the official WhatsApp number, 066 000 0683. You can send them a WhatsApp and they'll be ready to help you. Once more, you can also send them an email at info@capfin.co.za. Okay, yes, you can send them an email if you're having any problem. And they also have an USSD platform, yes, where regardless of the phone that you are using, you can access some of their menus. *134 *6454#. Okay, if you also want to use fax, you can send them a fax on that. Okay, so whichever way that you want to. In case you want to also go to their office directly in person, this is where you find them. 1 Industry Street, Cruise River, Cape Town. Okay, yes, with the number 7580. So you can meet them. You can see them in Cape Town. All right. So this is the address, as you can see here, and this is the map showing where they are situated. You can go to them at any time and then go and access your loan. All right. So basically, that is all that I have for you, okay, concerning this application. In case you meet any problem, please, you can contact them, or you can leave a message in the comment section below and we'll find a way to help you. So in case you need a loan quickly, so like I said, if all your documents are valid, in some cases the approvals are just instant. You can have instant approval. Thank you very much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe and continue sharing this particular video to your friends who need loan from Capfin. We'll continue giving the best and some of the banks and then loan financial services that they give loans. Okay, we'll continue to share them so that you have more options to choose from in case you need money for something very urgent. Thank you very much. Please don't forget to subscribe. Meet you another time.